Have you ever dreamed of something so big it almost felt impossible? This is the story of a man named Daniel and his dream to climb a mountain higher than he had ever seen. It was not just about the mountain, it was about his heart, his strength, and his courage. Daniel grew up in a small town. The town was quiet with green fields and small hills. As a child, he often looked up at the sky and wondered what it felt like to stand on the highest peak. His father once told him, "A mountain is more than stone. It is a lesson. Each step teaches you something." Those words stayed with Daniel. Years passed. Daniel became a young man. He worked in a factory, earning just enough to live. But deep inside, the dream was still alive. He wanted to climb the great mountain, the one people said was too dangerous, too high, too far. Everyone laughed when he spoke about it. "Impossible," they said. "Too risky," they warned. "You are not strong enough." But Daniel believed in one phrase: never give up. He repeated it every day. Never give up. To reach the mountain, he needed preparation. He began to train. Each morning before work, he ran through the town streets. At night, he lifted stones as weights. He saved money from every paycheck, putting coins into a small jar labeled "My Dream." The jar grew heavier. His legs grew stronger. His mind grew clearer. Still, it was not easy. Some days he felt tired. Some days he felt doubt. On cold mornings, he whispered to himself another phrase: step by step. Step by step, he moved forward. Finally, after many months, Daniel was ready. He packed a simple bag. In it, he placed water, bread, a warm jacket, and his father's old compass. He kissed his mother goodbye and said, "I will return with a story." The journey began. The first part was simple. Green valleys stretched before him, filled with flowers and birds. He walked with joy. The sun was warm. He felt strong. He whispered again, "Step by step." But soon the ground became steep. Rocks cut his shoes. The air grew thin. Nights were cold, and he slept under the open sky. Sometimes he heard wolves howling in the dark. Fear touched his heart, but courage spoke louder. "Stay strong." Days turned into weeks. His food became less. His body ached. Once, while climbing a sharp cliff, his hand slipped. For a moment, he almost fell. His heart raced. He pressed his back to the rock and closed his eyes. Then he remembered his father's voice. "Each step teaches you." So he learned. He learned how to rest. He learned how to breathe slowly. He learned patience. These lessons became his friends. One morning, after many days, Daniel reached a place where snow covered everything. White silence surrounded him. His breath turned into clouds. The mountain seemed endless. Every step was heavy, but he whispered his third phrase: "Believe in yourself. Believe in yourself." As he climbed higher, memories filled his mind. He remembered the laughter of the people in his town. He remembered the weight of the coin jar. He remembered the look in his mother's eyes. Each memory gave him strength. Still, the mountain tested him. Storms came. Winds pushed him back. Snow burned his skin. At one point he wanted to stop. He sat on a rock, head down, and said softly, "Maybe they were right. Maybe it is impossible." But then something small happened. A little bird flew past him even in the storm. Its wings were weak, yet it moved forward. Daniel smiled. "If the bird can keep going, so can I." He stood up again. One step, another step, step by step. Finally, after many long weeks, Daniel reached the top. He stood on the peak, higher than clouds, higher than fear. The world below looked small, almost like a painting. Tears filled his eyes. He raised his arms and shouted, "I did it!" The mountain was not only stone, it was a lesson in patience, a lesson in courage, a lesson in hope. Daniel had proved something, not to the world, not even to his town. He proved it to himself. Dreams are possible when you never give up. He stayed on the peak for a while, watching the sunrise. The light touched his face, warm and golden. He felt free. He felt alive. When he came back to his town, people gathered around. They could not believe it. "You really did it?" they asked. Daniel smiled. "Yes, and you can too. Whatever your dream is, big or small, step by step, you can reach it." The town grew quiet. His words touched their hearts. From that day, Daniel was not just the boy from the factory. He was a symbol of courage, a reminder that the human spirit is stronger than fear. And Daniel? He kept dreaming. For him, the mountain was only the beginning. Useful words and phrases, repeated softly in story. Never give up. Step by step. Stay strong. Believe in yourself. Dream. Courage. Patience. Fear. Hope. Impossible. Lesson. Journey. Strength. Goal. Alive. So, dear listener, what is your mountain? What is your dream? Remember Daniel's words. Never give up. Step by step. Believe in yourself. Keep practicing your English. Keep climbing your own mountain. And one day, you too will stand at the top, smiling at the world.